Florida, a gas station, a man on probation with a suspended license. He's about to explain in detail exactly why he isn't driving.
Why can't he drive? What are you worried about him driving for?
Bro, he's driving too fast, bro. I can't let him drive off. And they're arguing. He's just like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna stay there. No, I'm not letting you drive off. No. He's not going.
But he's not.
Five. Pump 5. She's gonna drive him home, but he's not driving. He's not.
Well, why exactly is he not driving?
Because I'm scared that he's gonna kill himself.
That's not a reason. No, I need a better reason than that. Is he intoxicated? Is he under the influence of narcotics?
I don't know what. Listen, I just came to come get her. I don't know what they're doing. All I heard is Sid, come get me because we're arguing. I said, okay, I'm coming to get you. But now you're talking about if you don't have nowhere to go, why the fuck can you stay where you was at?
So your sister's gonna go with you?
No, she better operate that car. She's not going with me. He's gonna be the one driving. I'm not going.
By the end of the night, he had said too much. Florida statute 322.34 defines operate as being in actual physical control of a vehicle, any movement, any direction, any distance. Intent to travel is not an element. First-degree misdemeanor, up to 1 year, plus automatique probation violation.
She's the complainant. I guess her sister called her to pick her up.
She just called you guys because she's scared. She's scared.
You know that guy yelling at you?
Yeah, that's her boyfriend. I met him probably a time before this.
So where's your sister from?
Yeah, she's wearing brown. She just left in the store. Yeah, because no way. I'm not going to let you go kill yourself. I'm not going to do it.
Again, you keep saying that.
Yeah, because if I'm scared of somebody operating a motor vehicle on the road, of course, I'm not going to let you drive off. Yeah, you didn't just watch him?
Who is he? He's the guy?
But again, you've explained to me he's not under the influence of alcohol or drugs.
Look at him.
That doesn't. We can't force him to not drive if he's not under the influence of a valid license.
Let me call him. This shit need to come on here. I'm going to get my sister out. Yeah, because we're out.
You were the one that called? Hey, what's going on? You called? Huh? Okay, that's fine. Well, we're going to talk to her.
Alright. Y'all talk to her. I'm waiting for y'all. Harass me. Huh? Give me my phone so I can record this. Is he trying to pressure you? Is he trying to pressure you to answer something? Is he trying to pressure her to answer something?
Bro, be quiet, bro.
No, I know my law. I'm on probation.
You know your law, right?
Yeah, I know my law. And you can't question her for no reason.
Quiet.
What did you question her for? Well, no. Not my baby. Hey! No.
Hey.
You want to go talk to him for no reason and you trying to...
She called us, bro. That's
Hey,
why we're
bro.
talking to her. She called us. That's why
She
we're
did
here.
not call y'all. She did not call
She
y'all.
100% did. That's why we're here.
Oh my God. What's she call y'all for?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Okay then. What y'all here for? What's her name?
Joe.
Joe? No, I'll see it myself.
You want to read it?
Joe Madonna. Yeah, and not to be it. I got paperwork and everything, nigga. I'm on paperwork. I just got out, nigga. Y'all ain't not telling me shit. All I did was reverse the car for her ass. What you doing? Why you walking up on me like that?
Because you're reaching into a vehicle.
No, I'm reaching into my vehicle.
Correct.
Running the lake. My vehicle. I can do whatever the fuck I want in my vehicle.
That's fine. If I
Walk up, but back up then.
No, don't tell me.
Why?
You're
Why?
not going to tell me what to do.
Why?
Why? Because if you keep getting confrontational like that, you're going to end up in handcuffs or on the floor. You understand?
Okay.
All right?
I'm gonna call my PO.
Yeah, do it, okay?
Trust me, they're gonna get called.
You're very close to getting taken for a PO violation right
Don't
now.
worry about it. I ain't did nothing.
Okay?
How am I
You
gonna
are,
get PO?
because we're conducting an investigation right
What
now. Okay?
What's investigation?
I don't need to tell you what investigation.
But you do
we're
gotta
conducting.
tell me the
No, I
investigation.
don't. Okay? It's not your
This is
investigation.
the
it's my
law,
investigation.
bro.
Sir, we're investigating
Okay.
a domestic.
I got this.
Okay, I'm gonna
I got
get in
this.
the car.
I'm talking to you, okay?
Relax. You need to take him over there.
Okay.
Go over there.
Because he's about to go to jail.
Hey, talk to me for a second, buddy.
See, this is what happens when we baby people.
You can't do that.
Yeah, come here for I'm talking for a second.
You cannot open my door like that.
I'm not opening
You cannot open my door like that. Close my door.
Relax.
Close my door.
What do we have?
I'm trying to figure it out. Seems like a 38. He's just uncooperative. It looks either drunk or something. Sounds like it.
Have you guys run the tag? Have you run the taggers yet?
No, I was watching him because he's very
Run the
confrontational.
tag, and let's see what we have.
So I don't want to leave him without seeing his hands and stuff.
I think it's in the car already. Florida Indian.
I'm on probation. I got DUI. I ain't motherfucking drive. I just bought the motherfucking car to do this and that. That's it.
Who is this?
That's her sister.
Does it come back to him? It hasn't come back yet. Okay, so let me know if it comes back to him. What's his name?
I know one.
We'll see
I-
when it comes
Right,
back.
because we got a car. That's the only reason why we're here.
I'm gonna check it. One second.
And that's why you.
Pull him out of the car. He doesn't have a valid license. That's public
No, I didn't.
safety, okay?
No, I didn't.
All right.
Here. And she take my shit out my back pocket. Because I'm always losing my shit.
There you go.
Here, don't worry about it. Give her my wallet. I'm telling you to give her my wallet.
Give me a second. We talked
My wallet. You taking me to jail for
in
what?
a second. Let's not finish this.
Driving with no valid license.
Who?
You.
I ain't drive.
I watched you drive.
Bro, I didn't drive. I backed the car up, bro.
Yep, that's driving. There
No.
you go. You just confessed on body cam.
Come on, bro.
You can spend the night in gun
All
club.
right. All right. What's your name?
Problem solved. All right, let's go.
No, I didn't drive.
That's driving.
No, get my wallet off the car. First of all, get my wallet off the car. Get my wallet off the car. My wallet off the car.
I'm finna get it.
Get it down.
I'm finna get
Get
it.
my wallet. You got all my money in there.
If you resist, it's gonna be worse.
Get my wallet off the car.
Get inside. Sit.
Bro, babe, get in the car.
Okay, get my wallet. You stop.
I just asked you to sit. I'm going to tell you to sit, and then I'm going to make you sit.
All y'all doing this? That's offensive.
Sit in the car.
Put your feet in. There you go.
I need all y'all names. I need all y'all cards in my hand.
Get in the car.
Can I get all y'all cards? Can I get your name? I can't get nobody's name.
Everything, bro.
Can I get nobody's name? I can't get nobody's name. I got the right to get everybody's name in here. First of all, ain't nobody ran my Miranda rights. And nobody gave my Miranda rights before they picked me in the back of this car. So this shit ain't gonna work. Oh, mama, I'm about to punch the shit out one of these niggas. I did nothing wrong. I'm on probation. I did nothing wrong. And I got the car keys and everything. I need everybody's car. No, I want cards. Y'all, everybody got cards on them. Nope, nope. I want cards. 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 I want cards.
Go over.
I want cards.
Go over.
I don't give a fuck about that, bro.
Then go back. Go back.
Bro, cause you black, you think you scared me, nigga? What the fuck?
Get out
Cause
the
you
first
black,
one, buddy.
nigga?
Get
Cause
out
you
the
black,
first one.
nigga? I'm black too, nigga.
All right.
Give me your card. What's your name? What's your badge number? Give me your card. You got a card though. Give me your card. Give me your card. I need card. Get that card. Don't talk to him. The more you talk to him, the more they gonna incriminate me. I might have a field day on their ass. I know.
You're not taking it serious.
Babe, I didn't do nothing
Be
wrong.
out here for 5 years.
You going with your sister, you alright?
Bro, I'm about to spend the night there. I was coming back tomorrow. What are you talking about?
I wasn't going back there tomorrow.
Where you was going?
I just want all their names. Please, just give me all their names. And we be straight. We ain't gotta work no more. Just give me their names.
Names for what?
Give me all their names and their badge numbers. We ain't gotta work no more.
Alright, roll the window up.
Yeah, he already know. Yeah, he's scared. You grown, right? Handle that shit. You grown, right? You got everything accomplished? Okay. But if you just listen to me, we will never be in this situation. You don't listen to me because you want to be grown. You want to be grown, so be fucking grown. You got somewhere to go. It doesn't like I ain't leave you out here on the street. I just got on probation, bro. I just want to take my girl home. She couldn't drive the fucking car backwards. So I just wanted. She couldn't drive the fucking car backwards, bro. So I didn't want her to hit the fucking gas pump, bro. So I pulled the fucking car backwards. And y'all gonna take me for that? I'm sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. He's so sicey for that shit. That shit, he shouldn't even be taking me to jail just because I pulled the bathroom. Y'all, she should never pulled up like that anyway.
Huh? It was you.
You should never pull up in front of my car when I'm in front of a pump like y'all bought on that drama.
How are you gonna blame me for what you?
Y'all should never pull up in front of my shit because they pull up in front of y'all because they think I'm on that bullshit. They bought a job, but they noticed me because y'all was parked in front of my car. I did nothing wrong. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the camera. I did everything. I'm not talking to you. Please shut up, sir. I did everything that I did that they asked me for. All I did was back up the car. Give me my rights. I can read. I don't want one. I can't read nothing. Y'all should have told me that before y'all got me in the car. Y'all fucked up my whole life. Now I'm going to make sure. I'm going to make sure. I'm going to fuck up every one of that y'all life. I promise you that. I'm tired of going to jail because y'all crackers. And I got to go to court in the morning. As soon as I get out the handcuffs, you better not be near me. I'm going to punch the shit out one of you niggas. Watch. My mama want you niggas getting a black eye tonight, bitch. Take that shit home to your wife. Take that shit home to your wife, nigga. The fuck? I hope you niggas get shot the fuck up. I'm tired of cops, bro. All the cops gotta go. I swear to God, I hope all y'all kids die. I swear to God, I hope somebody run y'all kids over, bro. I swear to God, I hope something happen to y'all kids or y'all fucking wife. So y'all can feel the pain that people go through. I hope something happen to y'all fucking family, bro. And it ain't gonna be me that do it. You stupid ass niggas. You think I ain't about to punch one of you niggas in your fucking face when you let me out these handcuffs? Somebody about to get it, bro. Stupid ass boy. I just paid $2,000 on rent. $2,000. Y'all niggas ain't got that shit, bro. I work hard for that shit, bro. I'm telling you, as soon as bitch grab me out of this car, I'm kicking them right in their face on my mama. Bitch better not even grab me out of this car on my mama. I'm kicking them right in their face on my mama. I'm so good with these soccer kicks on my mama. For what? Cause y'all ain't got shit else better to do? Boring ass niggas? Y'all are so bored. Did you read my Miranda rights? No, you didn't. I just want to make sure that shit on camera. Ain't nobody ready.
7 charges, 5 convictions, DUI and resisting with violence not pursued. The remaining 5 adjudicated guilty, 1 year, credit for 113 days. Roughly 8 months remaining, his probation officer got the call. Florida Statute 838.021, corruption by threat, is a 3rd-degree felony. A verbal threat against an officer or their family, made to influence official conduct, does not need to be carried out. The words alone are sufficient, up to 5 years, per count. He gave them 2 minutes of material. The officers get an A. Plate run before any confrontation. Subject allowed to speak without interruption. Under Graham versus Connor, conduct is judged on what a reasonable officer knew in the moment. Every decision here holds up. Joe Donald gets a D. Active probation. Suspended license. Operated the vehicle. Then explained it. Under Florida Statute 948.06, a new criminal offense triggers automatic probation revocation proceedings. He didn't just face new charges. He reopened everything he was already serving for. Fifth Amendment. Right to remain silent. He declined. One rule: anything said in front of a body cam is a time-stamped, recorded statement. Admissible. Irrecantable without corroboration. Ask for a lawyer. Say nothing else. Subscribe for weekly body cam analysis. Drop a comment should prosecutors have pursued the DUI charge. We'll see you in the next one.